Hi guys, so now we're done with loops and we're done with loops, we're done with decisions, and we're done with basic programming, okay? So now we're all done with this, which means we can start migrating into data structures, okay? This is gonna be really easy. There are actually three of them that we need to check. The first one of them is lists. The second one is tuples. And the last one is dictionaries. So these are the ones we're going to be checking for the next weeks. So these guys are a mixture of the previous things, and they're actually really easy, so you don't have to worry. After this, we're going to go deep into problem solving. Okay? So let's go.